So, well, hello mga kawagets! Welcome back to our vlog. So, if you are new here, welcome or welcome back. So the past, I think last week or couple weeks ago, I don't even remember anymore, but a couple weeks ago. So, we've been pretty busy because we had some special guests. We have some special visitors. I waited for this for 6 years. Two of my kids from the US were here to visit. We're here for a vacation. They were supposed to be spending time with me for a couple of weeks, but it turned out to be only 1 week. But I'm still thankful because I got to spend time with my kids, whom I've not seen for 6 years. Last time they were here, that was around 2019. That was before I had my youngest one. He was still in my tummy at the time, and that next year I gave birth to him, and they were supposed to be back, but then pandemic happened, COVID happened, and so they were supposed to be back the next year, and then it turned out to be 6 years later. But I'm still thankful I got to spend time with them. I got to see my kids, whom I miss so much. So today's vlog is going to be all over the place. I'm sorry, because at that time I didn't really want to be focusing on filming and things like that, because I want to be at the moment. I want to enjoy the time that I get to spend with my kids, because I know it's going to be a long time before I get to see them, which I'm hoping, crossing my fingers and toes and praying that they'll be back again next year. We'll get to spend time again next year. So we hope you like our vlog for today, you guys. And if you're not already, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit that bell notification so that you will always be notified whenever we have new videos or uploads. So thank you for watching, you guys.
Ipo na lang. Wala, taliksik na. Ay, hinuginog na dyan eh.
Can I see it, Bob?
Okay.
Mama.
Eh, boy.
Ayan, naanay, daghang ant.
Hindi ka may ang bunga.
Ayan.
Daan naman, napa may sunod na bunga. Napa day usa o? Yung bunga. Oh, ang kanang usa kay paspas ning. Lagi? They are small, but that's alright because it's actually, it packs a lot of
dragon egg.
sugary.
Ma, we have
Sweet.
a dragon egg.
Yeah.
Pagtanawagan pa.
Patanugan pa man, makaon na kaon na.
Let's go!
You excited? Hi.
Can I try?
Oh, sure.
Can I try?
Just give it a little bite. Is it sweet?
Can I taste it? Can
Sige, give it a try.
Nope.
Sige na.
Not the whole thing.
Not the whole thing. Dila raman ana. Lick it.
Okay.
Tamis no? My goodness, it's delicious. It's delicious na. Tigtam sa tasa, jadi dito. Palami pa. Wa ka kaon? Is it good? Yeah?
Oh, yeah.
Wow, it is so good.
Ma, why do you see?
Hala, kalami. Kalami kaya pa.
Mama.
It's just a few minutes away. Kinsay na bibi? Who's our visitor? So they are here. They're coming. Si Ate and Kuya. They're coming. We are waiting for Ate and Kuya to get here. They're almost here. Na. Barco. Yeah, they're almost here. Just a few seconds from now, they're coming out. Oh my God, I'm excited. Lapit na. Mga na sila. Nalawas na sila. Ahiyo na kay ko. They're coming. Ibang trash din ha. They're coming. Ate and Kuya is coming. Narama! Narama! Si Ate! Ate's here! Hi! They're here! Hi! My goodness! No! Hi, thanks, Jim. How are you? Thank you. Someone's getting a Filipino haircut. Someone's getting a haircut. Namtuhog na lang na siya ron. Wanya? Sige.
Circle around.
Look at all the dragon fruit up there. What can I do? Over here. Over here to me.
I'm not going there.
Why not?
Sorry, I'm not going there. Mom, I'm not going there.
Why?
Because there's a dog.
Wait, there's a doggy?
Yeah.
Wait, Sadie. Wait, Sa. We are back after 6 years. You and Harley had a picture right there. Can I take your picture over there? I think it's got more swimming pool now. What's that?
Your spot.
That's the spot. That's it. It looked big before, but now it looks small. Yeah. That was it. And then there's another one on the other side. Dali. Walang tayo cottage. This one. Huh? Wow. Sige na, go. Go swim. Huh? Go.
I could jump there.
Go swim.
Going to jump.
Pwede ka.
Okay.
Bigger slippers here. Be careful ha, dangog. Na, basta. Mabasa ito mga likuran.
Pwede maghubo din ah.
Bahala boy.
Nangyayari siya yung gupit ba?
Gapo ka na.
Gupit na lang. Kena yun.
Put me down, ngawa mo siya sa... Uy, hinay, ano, sinay, hinay. Hi. Kalay, walang mananap sa tubig.
Kanang kan ba? Kita ka kawayan dito. Buko ba? Nahurot ato. Horot lagi.
Let me do a cannonball. Just a cannonball? No hands.
That's na.
Yang ko ano
Gusto siya sa babida ko, no? Tagdila na serious ya.